Hey everybody, the big day is here. We got our Starbrite mildew remover. If I can get it out of the box. Ugh. There it is. Starbrite mildew stain remover removes mildew stains from vinyl seats, cushions, tops, and covers on contact. This is the 32-ounce bottle. I don't recall what I paid for it. I think it's available at Walmart, but I'll put it down at the bottom or on the side of the screen what I exactly paid for it. And the reason we got this is to take off the mold or mildew stains that we get each year after we pull our boat out of our storage garage and back. And it comes with a little spray nozzle. Okay, I took 30 seconds to read the directions, and it's not that complicated. You just need to spray or wipe the product directly onto the surface to be treated and allow it to work until the stain disappears, and then you rinse it thoroughly. So I'll have our low pressure wash ready to go, and the boat's already up on the trailer up front. Stubborn stains may require a second application and light scrubbing. So for my light scrubbing, I kind of have this not terribly hard bristled brush, kind of soft actually, not too bad, with a handle. I also have a bunch of old towels that we use for washing the cars that are clean and ready to go. Okay folks, here she is. It is hot out here. And I just pulled off the cover because of course it rained about 2.5 inches last night, so it's full of water. It'll dry out in the sun here. And I pulled the cover off, but what we have each year are, you can kind of just see the mildew all over everything. It's about an 18-foot little runabout, enough to take the kids on an inner tube ride or water ski or whatever. But here's what I mean. Here's the worst mold on the boat. So we're going to start here, and I'm just going to spray it on. It's nice that we are still in the shade of this old maple. I'll put this on a tripod and we'll get busy. Yeah, I'm going to let that sit. We'll go to quick time, probably 16 times speed. Okay, I'm going to say, wow, that was pretty darn effective. I probably didn't even need to do quick time because this stuff on contact started to get rid of the mildew. There's just a little here and there that I missed, and that was because of the amount of spray I put on. This next batch, I'm just going to put on a wet towel here and kind of wipe around to the hard to reach areas. Might take a little more application. Holy cow, what an effective transformation. Right now I am sold on this stuff. This is Starbrite mildew stain remover. We're going to do this back one next, and I'll do this one real time. Probably should have let it sit a little more. Let's spray that one more time and let it sit. In the meantime, I am going to go get my wife and show her how effective this is. Hey, if you like, well, I guess I would recommend this product after just 2 cushions. I've got about 10 more boat seats and pads to go, and I've only used about, I don't know, 1/16 of the bottle. So it'll do a whole boat. Each spring, if I spend whatever it costs for this, probably 15, 16 bucks, that's well worth it. It might last more than 1 season too. So affordable, crazy effective. If you want to learn more about the product, I'll stick a link down in the description below. But this one, I guess I got lucky. This is my first mildew treatment chemical application that I've tried. And holy Toledo, do I love it. Alright, that's it. If you like my video, hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.